Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to speak to Canva's customer support team. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up Canva, and then once you're inside Canva, you want to click on the three horizontal bars, top left hand corner of the page. And now from here, you've got a section saying Ask Canva on the left hand side. So go ahead and click on Ask Canva. This little chat box will appear. Now from here, say I would like to speak to customer support live agent, and then hit send. And then from here, it might ask you a couple more questions, and then they'll redirect you to speaking to a customer support team member. So what they said here, so go to our contact us page. So they've actually shown us how to do this more directly. So once we're here, we can check this page out. All right, from here, what we want to do is click on get help from our chatbot now. This is going to redirect us to another chatbot. So again, say I'd like to speak to a customer support team member, like so, and then click send. They might ask you a few questions like this to try and help you, but just keep saying I'd like to speak to a customer support team member, and eventually they will direct you to one.